Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add another account on Mobile Legends. If you want to add a new account on Mobile Legends, then follow the steps till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To add another account on Mobile Legends, first launch Open Mobile Legends on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile picture at the top left. Now, from the profile page, tap on Account from the left-hand side menu. From the account settings page, you'll be able to see all of the accounts that you're connected with for the game. If you want to go ahead and add a new account, then simply go ahead and select any one account you'd like to connect with and tap on it. In my case, I've selected the Apple ID option. Go ahead and follow the prompts and you'll be able to add a new account on Mobile Legends. You can also do this for other accounts, for example, VK, Game Center, Facebook, TikTok, Moonton, and email. That is how you'll be able to add another account on Mobile Legends. If the video was helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.